syncingtomycreation.com. So today's episode is all about kids' favorites. So definitely we are going to make some cakes but in a healthier form. So I'm making today blueberry milk cake. So I'm using a lot of blueberries that is packed with antioxidant and vitamin C and K. That will be very good for kids and loaded with that antioxidant. And I tried to reduce the sugar intake and I tried to use half of the amount with sugar in the raw. That is very much beneficial other than the refined sugar. And I have used milk also. If you have milk allergy, please don't go for it. Otherwise, this cake is very healthier for the kids. Hi friends, today is all about kids special. So we will be making some cake and with a twist of blueberry and cinnamon. See what all ingredients are there today for that. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup confectioner sugar, half cup sugar in the raw, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon baking soda, vanilla essence, cinnamon powder, 6 tablespoon room temperature butter and 2/3 cup white oil, half cup milk, 3 whole egg, few blueberries tossed with all-purpose flour. First step, take some blueberries and dust some all-purpose flour on that. Take one bread mold or cake mold, grease with butter and dust some all-purpose flour on that. Subscribe my channel, that's totally free, and I try to show you in the detail from round the globe recipes like www.youtube.com/syncingtomycreations. And if you look at my blog www.syncingtomycreations.com, you can see many recipes right from the many Indian snacks like vada pav, samosa and veg cutlet, and many American breakfasts like pancake, waffle, how to make crepe. You can see in details about that. Many sandwich recipes, many Indian curries and many round the globe recipes. So if you look at my blog and YouTube channel, you will be definitely going to enjoy all those recipes. So just hop on it and try on your own. Step 3. Mix all dry ingredients together. 2 cups all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, baking soda. Mix well. Mix all the wet ingredients. First step, butter goes in. Oil goes in. And whisk them in medium speed for about 1.5 to 2 minutes to blend it well. Now time to add sugar. We are going to add confectioner sugar first and blend it well till it's get melted. Add sugar in the raw. Blend it well. After blending in medium speed oil and sugar together, now time to add egg. Please add 1 egg at a time and blend it together. Now slowly add all-purpose flour and that baking powder mixture, half of the amount at a time. And mix it well. Add the remaining half and mix it well. Now time to add half cup milk. One tablespoon vanilla essence. So your batter will be in this consistency. it should not be very flowy and very thick. Add blueberry. So gently mix the blueberry with the batter. Very gentle. Now gently pour the batter inside the mold. Batter is ready to get into the oven. Before that, don't forget to tap on the bottom so that your batter spread evenly. And now we will dust some cinnamon and sugar powder from the top. Put inside the oven 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes until our middle portion is come out clear. We'll check it with a stick. Here is our cake is out of oven. Now we will demold after 10 minutes to the cooling rack and will cool completely. So here is our cake is out. It's soft and juicy. We'll cut it after complete cool down. Hi guys, here is our blueberry pound cake is ready to hop on. Are you ready to eat it or take a bite? Don't forget to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/syncintomycreations, and don't forget to subscribe my blog too, that is www.syncintomycreations.com for many more exciting recipes.